Given the circumference whose equation is the one we see here, we are asked to calculate the center and the radius of this circumference. For this, we want to express this equation like x minus x sub 0 square plus y minus y sub 0 square equal r square, where the center would be x sub 0, y sub 0, and the radius would be r. To express this equation like this, first let's have a look at the x's we have. This is x squared plus 2x, and we have to try to express it as a square plus or minus something. How do we do this? As this is a grade 2, when expressing it as a square, it would be the square of a polynomial of grade 1, whose coefficients we have to calculate. It is the square of a polynomial a times x plus b and probably plus z, a constant term. So we have to calculate the values of a, b, and z. For this, let's operate the right side of the equal. So this is a squared times x squared plus 2 times a times x times b plus b squared plus c. So, separating, having a look at the coefficients, with x squared we have a squared equals 1, and with x this is 2 times a times b equals 2, and the independent terms is b squared plus c equal 0. From the first equation, a is equal to plus minus the square root of 1, but we will take just the positive part. So, a is equal 1. From here, we have 2 times 1 times b equal 2. So, b is equal 1. From the last equation, as b is 1, it is 1 squared plus c equals 0. So c is minus 1. So this way, x squared plus 2x is the same as x plus 1 squared minus 1. Let's do the same thing with the y. Y squared minus 4y equal something squared plus something. Let's call it again a, b, and c, but they will not be the same as before. It is a squared times y squared plus 2 times a times b times y plus b squared plus c. From here, the coefficients of y squared are a squared equal 1, 2 times a times b equal minus 4, and b squared plus c equal 0. A would be plus minus the square root of 1, a is 1, 2 times 1 times b equal minus 4, so b is minus 2, and minus 2 squared plus c, 4 plus c, and c is minus 4. y squared minus 4y is equal to y minus 2 squared minus 4. Now we are going to substitute the two equations we have just found in the original one in order to obtain the center and the radius of the circumference. We would have x plus 1 squared minus 1 plus y minus 2 squared minus 4 minus this 4 equal 0. This is the same as x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equal this, and this, and this goes to the right side, so this is a 9. We see that we have a plus here instead of a minus, but a plus is a minus minus, so it can be written as x minus minus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equal 3 squared. So the center would be coordinate x is minus 1 and coordinate y is 2, and the radius would be 3. So we have just found the center and the radius of this circumference. Center minus 1, 2, and radius 3.